So on my intro video for my daily, my 1999 Silverado, I mentioned that the four-wheel drive doesn't work, which really sucks in the winter in New England. So now that the winter's over, I'm going to try fix it. Pretty sure it's a blown front differential, but when I went to try test that, I found out the front drive shaft is seized into the transfer case. And after spending 4 hours trying to beat it out in every way I could think of, I'm just going to swap the transfer case. So I have a spare transfer case. I'm going to do the pump rub kit and try swap these out. Well, that's not good. The thing was empty. Guess it's a good thing I'm replacing it. Unplug anything. Just broke that. Nice. Get all these nuts holding the transfer case to the transmission. Kind of looks like they globbed RTV in there. I don't know why. For the ones down at the bottom, I'm gonna have to lift up the transmission and remove the trans mount. Dropping the cross member and getting the transmission mount out of the way allows me to access this last transfer case bolt. Well, that drive shaft's the reason this whole thing started, but clearly this transfer case was very low on fluid for whatever reason, so probably needed to come out anyway. So this is my spare NV4500 transfer case. If I'm gonna put a different transfer case in, I'm gonna do the pump rub kit. Is it mostly a wellier in there? Yeah. Are these definitely prone to failure because of that? Also, yeah. So let's take this thing apart and swap in the pump rub kit. So this is the pump. This is the source of the problem on these. These tabs will wear through the casing. And this rattle clip is supposed to help, but it has broke. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find that piece, but that's why they have issues. You can actually see right in that corner, right here, where the pump had started wearing the case. And if that continues, it'll come through the other side and cause a leak. Well, I fished around with a magnet and it looks like I found the other piece of that rattle clip. And it sure looks like that went through some gears. So that's not ideal. Alright, so here's why we tore this thing down. Got the PPE pump rub kit. No, that doesn't stand for personal protection equipment. Apparently it's Pacific Performance Engineering. Anyway, the main piece is this pump cover that replaces these super thin, sharp edges that cut into the case with these big, wide lugs that distribute the load. So we gotta pop these bolts out and remove this cover and swap on the PPE one and put it all back together. Pump rub kit comes with a fancier pickup tube magnet, because why not? Now, for whatever reason, these push button transfer cases came with two different wiring setups depending on the year. My truck's wired for this 5-pin flat connector. This has the 6-pin on the body, so I guess I'm gonna swap them out. Okay, I topped off the transfer case with fluid. See if I royally screwed anything up. No crazy noises anyway. Okay, I'm gonna try put it in 4-wheel, see if the front diff still makes crazy noises. So, seem to shift. Maybe it was the transfer case that was screwed up the whole time. Well, potentially successful transfer case swap. Still got to figure out the drive shaft situation since my correct drive shaft is still seized in the other transfer case. But maybe that was all I needed for 4-wheel drive. That old transfer case was really low on fluid, so it sounded like the noise was coming from up front when I was having issues. I'll try sort out a drive shaft and maybe I've got 4-wheel drive fixed without swapping front diffs.